What's your name?
My name is Lily.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine. Where are you from?
I'm from America.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak a little English.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
How old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
What time is it?
It's 5 o'clock.
Where do you live?
I live in Japan.
Do you like tea?
Yes, I like tea very much.
How many apples are there?
There are 5 apples.
Is it hot today?
Yes, it's very hot today.
What are you doing?
I'm reading a magazine.
Can you swim?
No, I can no swim.
What color is your car?
My car color is pink.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to listen to music.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you have a job?
Yes, I work as a teacher.
Can you play the guitar?
Yes, I can play the guitar.
Where did you go yesterday?
I went to the shopping mall.
What's the weather like?
It's cold.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate toast and eggs.
How do you go to college?
I go to college by bus.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Lion King.
Do you like to travel?
No, I no love to travel.
What's your dream job?
My dream job is to be a lawyer.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like playing cricket.
What did you do last weekend?
I went to the desert.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak only one language.
Where is the nearest supermarket?
It's on Main Street, next to the school.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer tea.
How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling tired today.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
Can you help me?
Yes, what do you need?
Where did you learn English?
I learn English at school.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 8 a.m.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I'm going to visit my friends.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I enjoy cooking very much.
What's your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is comedy.
Can you drive a car?
No, I can no drive.
What's your favorite type of music?
I like pop music.
Do you have a computer?
Yes, I have a computer.
What color are your eyes?
My eyes are blue.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I like dancing.
What's your father's name?
My father's name is Ben.
How many rooms are there in your house?
There are 5 rooms.